Answer me.
I must see jet. Oh my God.
Wow, this is the latest couple in town. You can see them heading to their jet to, go back to the States and resume work, as Ubi Franklin have stated in the caption that party is over, is now, they are now going back to work. They need to rest too. I just pray that they get enough rest, because I know that the amount of money they don't spend for this wedding. Davido is super hardworking. I know a lot of people said Chioma married Davido, or is she staying there because of the money, the bag, but Chioma has her own thing going on. They are both so hardworking. They make their own money. She's just so lucky and blessed to have Davido as her husband. So people that are coming here to say they cannot marry someone like Davido after everything, lie. If you are there, you marry him times 1,000,000 times. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I think they deserve to rest. They deserve everything good that is happening for them right now, because they have been through a lot, and this is their time of celebration and happiness. Thank you. Don't forget to follow our page, like and share this video, and I'll sure see you guys in my next upload. God bless you all. Bye guys.